The VL extension identifies an AutoLISP source code file containing Visual LISP programming code for AutoCAD automation and customization. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, load, or troubleshoot these AutoCAD programming files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful VL file inspection tool. VL files are Visual LISP source code files for Autodesk AutoCAD containing LISP-dialect programming code for creating custom commands automating drafting operations and extending AutoCAD's functionality. They leverage the Visual LISP extensions to the traditional AutoLISP language. AutoLISP VL files use the Lisp programming syntax with AutoCAD-specific functions, including command for executing AutoCAD commands, getpoint for user input, and entmake for entity creation. Visual LISP extensions add ActiveX COM access and enhanced debugging capabilities. The most common market-leading program for VL is Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk Inc. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows cannot resolve script commands, so the correct interpreter is necessary. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your VL file and click Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If your VL file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, loading in AutoCAD. Open AutoCAD and use AppLoad or navigate to Tools. Then load application, browse to the VL file and click Load. The Lisp functions become available as commands in the current session. Alternatively, open the Visual LISP IDE with VLID for editing and debugging. Next, editing code. Open VL files in the Visual LISP IDE within AutoCAD for syntax highlighting debugging and interactive evaluation. Write custom functions using defun create new commands and access AutoCAD's object model through Visual LISP's ActiveX interface. Finally, compiling for distribution. Use the Visual LISP IDE to compile VL source files into VLX compiled modules for distribution. Navigate to File, then Make Application in the VLID. Compiled VLX files protect source code and load faster than interpreted VL source files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.